Hi, and welcome to my class. My name is Professor Barbara Cook, and I will be your instructor for the semester. Now, let's get you started on this course. It is an online course, so I want to make sure that you know where everything is. The very first thing you need to do is go over to the attendance verification and complete this attendance verification. Because of it being an online class, the only way that we can verify that you are participating in this course for financial aid, scholarship, and VA purposes is this assignment. So to be able to ensure that you get your benefits, make sure that you are completing this assignment. It's a very easy assignment. I'm asking you what your major is, and you only need to tell me that. For your other assignments, everything is going to be under course materials. There is an ebook that you can purchase for this course, or you can buy the textbook. Either one, it's your preference, but you do need it, and it is not free. You do have to purchase this. You will not be successful in this course without the textbook or the ebook. So make sure that you are getting it. If the bookstore does not have it, you can do it online. Each chapter has its own link. That way it's more organized for you. Everything that you need for that chapter is going to be in this link. It's going to be some core objectives. There are going to be some videos that's going to help you better understand the material that's in each one of the textbooks. I recommend taking notes as you watch these videos so that you better understand the material. There are flashcards that you can use as well. But once you are done with the reading and the videos, then you will click on the review quiz, which is the last link in each one. And remember, do not click on begin unless you are ready to actually complete the assignment, because once you click on it, you cannot exit and go back in later. You get one attempt per quiz. You get one attempt. Each attempt is 30 minutes, and they all have due dates on them. You have days, weeks, months in advance to get all of the assignments for this class completed. So I do not accept late work. They will not be turned back on for you. So make sure that you are completing them by their due dates. If you know you are going to be away for the weekend, it is your responsibility to make sure that that assignment that's due that week is completed before you leave. You cannot say, hey, I was gone for the weekend, so I need it turned back on, because the answer is no. You need to have that completed before you go. And again, do not click begin until you are ready to complete that assignment. And each one of your chapters does have a review quiz, and it is your responsibility to get those done before the due date expires. There is a syllabus for this class. You can click on the syllabus link. The syllabus is here. Please take time to look at it, read it over, and if you have questions, most of your questions can be answered by that syllabus. If not, please email me. The messages are great, but I don't get those often, so I need you to email me. My email is bcook@gadsdenstate.edu. That is the best way to communicate with me. Now, if you're having any issues with Blackboard, with technology or anything, I'm not really tech savvy, so you're going to have to use these links over here, the technology help and Blackboard help, if you have any issues whatsoever. When I need to let you guys know anything, I will put an announcement here. I will usually do an announcement once a week, kind of keep you on track of, hey, this is due this week. Make sure that you're staying on track to get this done. When I send out an announcement, it will also send you an email. So you'll get it two different ways. You will also be able to look to see how well you are doing on all of your assignments. When you complete them, it will give you a score and let you know out of how many points. Each one of the quizzes are worth different points for a total of 450 points for this course. So This is a great way of keeping track of how you're doing in the course. This video will be in the begin course here. There's nothing in there currently except for make sure that you do the attendance verification assignment, but I will be putting this video in here as well. I look forward to working with you for this semester, and I hope that we all have a great semester.